Mammy sees it's red, but she doesn't know what it is.
You want Lottie to help you take it out of the box? And we'll show you what it does.
Let's put the paper down.
You want Lottie to help you take it out of the box? And we'll show you what it does.
Let's put the paper down on the floor. How's that? Okay. Can we get it out? Mm-hmm. Let's look here. Well,
there it goes. Its wings are flapping. It's hard to get the bottle in there right. It keeps slipping out. Yeah, it likes that.
are you going to be the mama bird?
Or you can let it suck on your finger, too.
Let me, Lottie. Help you, Lottie, huh? Let's see if it lays on your... Let's put it here. Now let's see how it does. Will it do better now?
Come here, Lottie.
Come here. How does it have to go?
It's awkward. That's why I said just try it out, putting your finger in the beak. Let it suck Lottie's finger.
Let me see if it'll suck my finger. It did. It sucked my finger. Bite you? It's gonna bite you? It's gonna bite me.
Yeah, it's gonna bite you.
Put that in its mouth.
It's gonna bite you.
Yeah, just
It's
a
almost
finger.
too fat.
Yeah, the bottle doesn't fit in there very well, so I think it likes to suck people's fingers even better.
It's gonna bite you. Lottie. It's gonna bite you. It's gonna bite you. It's gonna bite you.
It's gonna bite me.
Yeah, it's gonna bite you.
It's its teeth.
Spider. Hey. Emma.
You have to get it on in there a little bit. It's hard to get it in all.
She's just putting the end of the string in. Yeah, you're using your finger.
Come on. Get in there. Come on. Get in there.
Well, stick your finger in there and it'll shut it. Rip that paper off. Mama, move that basket down.
You can't do anything if you don't put something in its mouth. You gotta put it in its mouth.
Is there a lot of paper on that, Susan? I got both things going on. What is that, Harrietta? What is it?
Hey, looky here.
What is it?
It's a guys.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
Turn it over. Look at the other side.
It's a watch.
A watch.
It's a watch.
Wow.
Look at that. It's a watch. Look at that. It's a watch.
It's a watch.
So it is. It is a watch.
Yeah, it is a watch.
Well, do you want us to help you take it out of the box?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that.